2024 Alaskan tsunami at 4:54 local time on August 7, 2024, an unexpected disaster occurred within Alaska's Kenai Fjords National Park. It was about an hour before sunrise when there was only a faint glow of the rising sun in the sky. All of a sudden, a distant but loud rumbling sound became audible which continually got louder and louder. Seismic equipment soon picked up the sizable landslide which was occurring, involving an estimated 2 to 4.6 million cubic meters of unstable rock. Moving tsunami heights at a speed of 27 miles per hour or 43.6 kilometers per hour, it took 66 seconds for the fast-moving mass of material to reach the recently opened waters of the Upper Pedersen Lagoon. Upon entering the water, the millions of tons of rock displaced it, generating a towering tsunami. This tsunami across the next 72 seconds raced across the Upper Pedersen Lagoon at a speed of 108 miles per hour, wiping out as much as tens of thousands of trees in rapid succession and inundating more than a square kilometer of previously untouched landscape. Wave heights reached up to 56 feet or 17 meters above the shoreline, but as the tsunami wave continued to spread out at a broad and flat area between the two lagoons, it quickly lost its impressive height. As a result, when the wave struck the Lower Pedersen Lagoon, it only reached a modest height of 1 meter. Thankfully, no lives were lost due to this geologic event, although a local boardwalk, presumably although unconfirmed to have belonged to a local group of structures, was damaged. What had just occurred was Alaska's tallest tsunami to occur in 9 years, and the fourth such landslide-related tsunami to have struck Alaska in the last 100 years. While still not remotely comparable to the devastation the 1958 landslide in Lituya Bay, Alaska, which created the world's largest megatsunami with a wave height of 1,720 feet, these events are truly becoming increasingly common across the colder stretches of the planet, and for good reason. So, why did this landslide occur? Just like Alaska's prior 2015 tsunami, which began in Tarn retreating glaciers fjord, a retreating glacier was to blame. Since thorough record-keeping and mapping of this area began, the area's main glacier, known as Pedersen Glacier, has been consistently retreating due to a global rise in temperatures since 1850. This has been occurring at an incredibly high rate, with the glacier having retreated an average of 260 feet a year since 1985. Thus, the vast majority of the Upper Pedersen Lagoon did not even exist until a few years ago, as it was previously covered by a thick mass of glacial ice. This glacier had, while it remained landslide caused at its full extent, held up a steep and inherently unstable section of cliff which prevented it from collapsing.